If you hold two passports, or you're planning to apply for a second citizenship, November 2025 is not just another date on the calendar. It's a turning point. Many people assume that once dual citizenship is approved, everything becomes automatic and simple. The reality is different. Recent U.S. updates are changing how passports are processed, how taxes are monitored, and how travelers are questioned at borders. One small mistake can now lead to passport delays, tax penalties, or serious travel stress. Understanding these changes early is the safest way to protect your status. Dual citizenship has always represented freedom and flexibility. It allows people to live globally, pursue better opportunities, and secure their future across borders. Millions of Americans already hold another nationality or are eligible for one through birth, marriage, or descent. For a long time, many dual citizens operated without clear guidance, unsure what to report and what to disclose. That uncertainty is now being replaced with clarity, and that clarity matters more than ever. The United States has not banned dual citizenship, and it is not taking away anyone's rights. What has changed is the expectation of transparency. As of the latest updates, anyone applying for a new U.S. passport or renewing an existing one must officially declare any other nationality they hold. This includes citizenship acquired automatically at birth or later in life. This requirement is not a restriction. It is a documentation step meant to keep records accurate and consistent across government systems. For most people, this simply means being honest and organized. For those who ignore or hide information, delays and complications become far more likely. The government's focus is on legal responsibility, tax compliance, and international coordination. Declaring another citizenship does not weaken your U.S. status. In fact, it protects it by ensuring your records match reality. Starting November 2025, U.S. passports are also receiving significant upgrades. These include enhanced biometric security features and improved digital chips designed to protect identity and reduce fraud. For dual citizens, this means faster and more secure international travel when documents are properly declared. Border systems are becoming more advanced, and consistency between records is now more important than ever. Travelers may notice that border officers ask additional questions related to other citizenships they hold. While this may sound intimidating, it is primarily a verification process. When information is accurate, these questions are brief and routine. Problems usually arise only when records are incomplete or contradictory. Proper disclosure leads to smoother airport experiences and fewer unnecessary delays. Taxes remain the most sensitive area for dual citizens, and this is where many people face serious trouble. The United States taxes based on citizenship, not residence. This means worldwide income must be reported, even if you live abroad and already pay taxes in another country. While certain exclusions and credits may apply, reporting is mandatory. The foreign bank account reporting threshold remains at $10,000, but enforcement has become stricter and penalties for non-disclosure have increased. Income from foreign bank accounts, rental properties, businesses, or investments must be accurately reported. Failing to do so can result in heavy fines, legal consequences, and even complications with passport renewal. Financial compliance is no longer something to delay or ignore. It is essential. For those applying for U.S. citizenship while retaining their original nationality, the rules are now more clearly defined. You are not automatically required to renounce your original citizenship unless your home country demands it. However, the U.S. government now places stronger emphasis on financial transparency, criminal background checks, and allegiance declarations. These steps are designed to ensure that holding multiple citizenships does not conflict with U.S. law or interests. If you already hold dual citizenship, nothing is being taken away. You simply need to declare your status when dealing with official documentation such as passport applications. This creates a clear legal record and protects your rights as a dual citizen. Travel remains one of the biggest advantages of dual citizenship. With the latest updates, those benefits are still there, but they work best when handled correctly. Enhanced passport security combined with accurate disclosure reduces confusion at airports and borders. Frequent travelers, students studying abroad, and business professionals benefit the most from understanding how these rules affect real-world travel. Military service is another area where transparency is now required. Dual citizens who have served in a foreign military or completed mandatory service must disclose this information during citizenship or passport processes. Mandatory service does not automatically jeopardize U.S. citizenship. The real risk comes from failing to disclose it. Honesty is the safest approach and helps avoid long-term legal complications. Families are also affected by these updates, especially those with children born outside the United States. The process for claiming U.S. citizenship for children born abroad has been clarified and streamlined. This reduces delays and confusion for parents managing multiple nationalities within the same household. Proper documentation ensures children receive the rights and protections they are entitled to without future complications. Financial planning has become more important for dual citizens than ever before. Holding multiple passports can affect taxes, retirement planning, inheritance laws, and property ownership across countries. With increased IRS oversight, proactive planning is essential. Working with professionals who understand international tax and immigration law can prevent costly mistakes and protect long-term assets. While some people worry that these updates create more paperwork, the reality is that they reduce uncertainty. Dual citizenship is no longer treated as a gray area. Responsibilities are clearer, and protections are stronger. When rules are clearly defined, rights are easier to defend. Compliance today means fewer problems tomorrow. Accurate records, honest disclosure, and proper financial reporting lead to smoother travel, secure finances, and peace of mind. Dual citizenship remains a powerful advantage for those who manage it correctly. The November 2025 updates are not about limiting opportunity. They are about creating structure. Passport enhancements, clearer tax enforcement, naturalization transparency, and disclosure requirements all work together to protect dual citizens who stay informed. When handled properly, dual citizenship continues to offer global mobility, long-term security, and flexibility. Dual citizenship is not just about travel. It is about planning for the future, protecting your family, and maintaining legal stability across borders. These updates provide the tools to do that safely. Staying informed allows you to enjoy the benefits of multiple nationalities without unnecessary risk. For clear, accurate updates on U.S. visas, immigration rules, passports, and global travel changes, stay connected with U.S. Visa Tracker. Knowing the rules today helps you move confidently tomorrow.